morning. It is day 2. Would you say it's day 2 or is this a proper day 1?
Yesterday was more travel day.
Yeah.
So we'll call it day 1.
Well, day 1 of Disneyland Paris for my 30th birthday. I'm wearing my badge again today. And we are off for breakfast, aren't we?
Yeah.
If you haven't watched our previous video, we're staying at Newport Bay. We have the meal plan. So we're going to go have a buffet breakfast and then we're going to spend the whole day in Disney, aren't we?
The whole day.
The whole day. How are you feeling about that?
The whole day. That's good. It'll be fun. We're also going to Pym Kitchen later.
Ooh.
Which is going to be really cool.
We will show you every single thing.
It's like a buffet, but it looks really cool and it's quite new. So she hasn't tried that one yet, thankfully. So
shut up, you. Let's go.
There you go.
Go. Go. I've got a whole spread. Had to get some of this.
A whole spread?
Yeah. No, I was looking at you.
A whole spread of eggs.
They currently don't have any Mickey waffles, but we'll go back. It's fine. Breakfast eaten. It was pretty good actually. There was a good spread. It's 8:30, isn't it?
25 past.
25 past, and we're just coming past McDonald's, so not too bad really. And we're going to go to Disneyland Park first, and first ride is going to be Thunder Mountain. Start off big.
Oh,
so your top 2 rides you want to do today are?
Honestly, get ready for this. Thunder Mountain.
No.
It was?
Thunder Mountain.
Oh no, Big Space Mountain. Sorry. And it's a small world, after all.
The contrast. I want to do, what do I want to get done? I want to go see the Lion King show today.
Okay.
And Thunder Mountain, so we're going to do that first. And just basically, I just want to bash out loads of rides.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. And it's such a beautiful day.
It is.
Yay.
Nicest day we've had here, yeah.
And I need to buy some new ears. I want to get the 30th ears. I mean, I brought 2 pairs with me, but you can never have enough.
You bought one with you, one that I bought. But, you know, we'll go into that in a later video.
And Donald were like at the entrance when we came in. What were you doing with Minnie?
It was not. It was Daisy.
It
was Daisy.
It was Donald.
It was. Does Donald wear pink?
Yes.
No. You got it wrong.
Real men wear pink.
True. Ken. Barbie.
You're too short.
I'm not. Tilt it. There we go.
No, but then I'm not in.
You are in.
No. What were you doing with Minnie?
Having a cheeky flirt.
She wanted to see your muscles.
She did. All 2 inches of them.
And she said Mickey was only so-so.
Yes. She may have caught a kiss from me, I'm sorry.
Shocking.
And this is why I love Disney.
We're gonna have to use our legs. We're gonna have to use our legs. We were gonna go down the little shortcutty bit, but I suppose because it's extra early magic time, whatever they call it
all
here.
the entrances are open.
We're gonna have to go the long way round. How many steps do you think we're gonna do today?
Well, we did half a day. Well, saying that was a lot of airport, wasn't it?
Yeah, but we sat down at the airport.
I'll probably
we did 14,000 yesterday, didn't we? I'm going 25. You can't steal my answer. I say 25.
Hold on, we've got a full day.
Yeah.
We're going back for a little bit later on.
Yeah.
Knowing you, no, but saying that your legs are shorter, so you'll do more.
Can't help that.
I'm going to say 23.
But we're going by your Fitbit.
I'm going 23. Yeah, but you hold me up. I was going to say 23.
Right, this is our height difference, so...
Hello? Oh, there you are. There you are.
That was so good. I forgot how fast it goes. Did you like it?
I think, like, personally for me, probably one of the best coasters I've been on. I think.
It's so fast.
I think, like with Fort Park and things like that, for me,
Like, they're really good rides, don't get me wrong, but I think they're over. I think the only one that kind of matches that is really Colossus, because...
No one likes Colossus.
No, because of length of
Yeah.
ride.
So we're now going to go do Indiana Jones, which I've never done.
And I've never done.
And you know, Indy, this one's for you.
Good afternoon, my name is Russell, and I am a woodland explorer.
I wouldn't go on that again. Let's just say it. We're talking about Indiana Jones, by the way. My neck hurts.
It's a loop.
You just said
Literally, it goes...
Done.
And...
What was the loop? Woo! Woo! So now he wants to go all the way, fountain, all the way over to the other side of the park to do Space Mountain.
Yeah.
We're getting those 25,000 steps, guys.
They'll make you work for it. That's cool, they have their names on the back of the bag.
We have an issue. Space Mountain is going to be closed today and tomorrow, so Wednesday we got to come and get it done.
Now we've got to go on buzz.
So we're going to do a competition, best of 3. What is the winner winning?
Ooh, I don't know.
All I can smell is popcorn.
I'm not buying popcorn.
No.
I don't know.
Buys the other person whatever they want?
Fine.
Fine. I know what I want.
Love to see it. Handshake.
Star Command a bien choisi son moment pour envoyer de nouvelles recrues. Bon, très bien, nous vous rendons.
Genuinely can't see a thing. Fine, you got this one. You are, what are you?
Mission accomplie, ranger de l'espace.
You are Elliot 1. I've realised I'm blind. But anyway, I'm looking at ears. So you've got these 30 ones with Chip and Dale. Or I think I'm going to get these ones.
They're nice.
They are, aren't they? And how much are they?
23.
23? Don't know why I'm looking. Yeah, 23. And do you want this hat to match me? We decided to go in one together. It's cozy, isn't it? Whee! Elliot wanted to live out his dream of driving. If you didn't know,
Can't complain no more.
neither of us drive, so
Well, I have a motorbike license, but...
this is as close as we're getting to being on the road.
Legoland.
Legoland. We got our Legoland license. Oh, there's a traffic jam.
Stop.
What route are we going on?
Huh?
What route are we going on? Teacups, in it? Star Tours.
We are ready.
We're trying to work out what we've done since we last spoke to the camera. Was it Star Tours?
Oh no, I beat you at Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah.
That was a
We've done Star Tours. Yeah, we filmed in Star Tours. You felt a bit sick though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then had a Mickey ice cream bar, caught Dream and Shine Brighter again,
Always.
and now we're in the queue to watch Lion King, Rhythm of the Pride Lands.
It looks really good.
It's hot.
It's warm now.
Right, there you go.
It's good.
Ready for the show?
Yeah! will you be doing the cutting
Cut that pizza. We don't condone cutting pizza in real life.
She's part Italian.
I was gonna go, wee.
You having fun? Guys, so we just had the greatest pizza I've ever had in my life. Domino's, do one.
Only because it was Mickey show.
Okay.
We absolutely love the Lion King show. I'm just gonna have to do this, and you're gonna have to just duck. It's probably one of the best things I've ever seen. Elliot loved it too. We went for lunch at Colonel Happy's. We had a pizza to share. We had the meal, so it was €16.
Yep.
You get a Mickey shaped pizza,
Garlic bread,
and a drink. And yeah, so now we're off to the railroad, and we're going to go on the train ride, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to have a nice luxurious train ride, which will be great. So yeah, just looking forward to having a nice sit down really. We've done a lot of walking so far.
We're already
we've
on. We're on step count.
10,339.
And it's
half a day.
It's what time?
13:32.
There you go.
So yeah, just nice to kind of put our feet up for a little bit and just chill, take in the scenery for a bit, and get out of these crowds. It's a little bit busier than yesterday.
Oh god. Elliot went and got one of the Mickey beignets. I'll have to insert a picture of it because obviously we've eaten it. Where's the chocolate? Just tastes like a donut, doesn't it? Hey! And of course, it's Nutella inside. We're on the next train.
Voici Frontierland, le fabuleux Far West américain, où les torrents serpentent en toute liberté et où la force...
It appears everyone is doomed at Phantom. Even you? And she's dying to meet you. But beware of Phantom.
A vanishing queen.
We haven't vlogged for a while. Last thing you saw would have been Phantom Manor. You weren't keen, were you? Honest.
What, Phantom Manor?
Yeah.
It was alright. It was okay. It was alright.
It was okay.
I think personally for myself being 31. quite questionable scares, put it that way, but yeah.
It's not supposed to be scary.
No.
But obviously
It's the haunted mansion.
Obviously we are now in the Studios Park, hence Tower of Terror. And we went shopping. We went inside Starbucks for a bit. You had a coffee. We went to World of Disney. I bought a new necklace. Well, Elliot bought me a necklace. I was going to buy it anyway, but he treated me, didn't you? But I finally got the 30th ears, and we're now going to dinner at Pym Kitchen. So we're going to go into the like Avengers campus bit and have some dinner.
We are.
You've been excited about this all day, haven't
I
you?
am buzzing for this place. Like we had a look at the menu. Well, I had a look at the menu when I was arranging it, and honestly,
We watched vlogs, didn't we?
Oh, it looks so good. Like it's very like it's buffet, which we haven't had yet because Sherry meat was like a sit down.
Yeah.
So yeah, it'd be quite nice just to kind of.
We'll show you the spread.
For it all.
You're going to try it all?
No. So it'd be nice to kind of have.
He wants, they do like the big burger. Obviously you only get a piece of it, he wants the whole thing.
I like burgers.
So this is mine. Giant hot dog, really random section, got some blue mayo, and then you'll notice Elliot does
So I've got
beige.
I've got a little,
You've got a little
I've
burger,
got a little pulled pork thing here, a little burger, a few eggs, chicken with blue mayo.
We both went for the mocktail because neither of us really drink and it just sounded gross. But I can't even remember what this is.
So it was
Cherry
strawberry, lemonade,
and blue something that makes it
cherry and blue grenadine.
something like that. Are you going to do it?
If it's alcoholic, it's not grenadine.
But it comes with instructions.
It's how to do it. So show
Right.
and tell.
On them. Ooh. Oh no.
That's about right. We'll say the rest later.
Went back for a big burger.
This is a
A
comparison.
little burger. I think we only really came for the desserts. So I think this is a carrot cake, possibly a cheesecake, white chocolate mousse, and I think
Red
this
velvet.
is a red velvet, like with cream cheese. Looks so good. And then Elliot got the massive Oreo slice and blue jelly.
Yep.
It's very loud in here, so I don't know if you hear me. So we're going on what's it called? Spider-Man one. Web. Web. Something. Oh, how was Pym Kitchen?
Stuff.
Yeah. Also,
Everything's blue
us.
and red. The mayo is blue, the jelly is blue, the custard is blue.
You had the custard.
I had the custard.
Why did we have the custard?
Because it wasn't an Oreo cake after all.
He was very disappointed.
It was, yeah, no, I'm not gonna lie. It was like a really dry, like non-flavoured
So if you
biscuit.
could taste the food colour.
Yeah, it was black. It was like dyed black, and you could taste the food
But
coloring.
food though. Best Disney food I've ever
Better
had.
than we went to the showroom yesterday. Nothing bad with the showroom, don't get me wrong.
We like a buffet.
Oh, we did like the buffet.
It's no veg over here.
Beige is it? Happy days.
But we also had the mocktail, very nice.
Yes, great.
And what else?
Cherry Coke.
The Coke.
I think Coke, which is good.